Hi, this is a video on how to create a booking site for your school. So I'll just refer you to the calendar site and how to create a booking. So say for example, I would like to um, create a booking using a new calendar. All I would do is go to calendars, create a new calendar, and then I'm going to I'm just going to call this a test calendar so that you have a reference. So I'm going to go to create calendar, and there should be a list of this. Here it is. Beautiful. There's my test calendar. So let's say, for example, you would like to have a calendar. Actually, I'm just going to click off some of my calendars here so it's not as cluttered for your viewing. Um, so what we will do is, let's say for example, you would like to have a cart booking available for your laptop carts. And let's say you'd like a booking time available from, say, 9 a.m. And maybe your time is until 10:40 when recess starts. So what I would do is I would go to the appointment slots, which is actually, instead of going to event where you would just create a one-time or repeating event, you go to the appointment slots. Then what you do is you choose the calendar you want. I'm going to use test. And then you can offer it as a single appointment slot, or if you want to be able to say book it for 2 periods, you can indicate it here or when you go to the edit details. So I'm going to go to edit details, and I'm going to call this, say for example, cart 1 as the name of your calendar. So let's say, for example, in my school, I would be booking from 9:20 to 11 o'clock. And then I would like this to repeat. Now you can do a repeat of, say, for example, every weekday, Monday to Friday, or you can also select based on the days that it's available. And I'm going to just have it keep repeating, and then or you can also say for example, you can repeat it until the end of June or whatever it is. I just keep it repeating so I don't have to redo it next year. Okay, so the slots that I would like to have, so between 9:20 and 11 o'clock, I have 100 minutes. So I'd like to book it for 2 slots of 50 minutes. So I'm just going to go to offer slots of 50 minutes. I'm going to press save, and then there's my booking. I can see it's repeated, and actually you can tell that it's a booking of appointments because you can see this little spot right here where it shows a grid. That shows that it is an appointment booking, whereas my other events, such as the student council assembly or the class field trip, they don't indicate that it's an appointment booking. Okay, so let's say for example then you want to do it for another time period, and you go back to appointment slots, you go to your calendar, and let's see, I'd like to call this again cart 1. This time it's after lunch, which is 11:30 to 12:50. Between that time, I have 80 minutes, so I'm going to change this to 40-minute slots because I'd like to have it for 2 slots. And now I'm going to save it. I can also do it for the times afterwards, but I'm going to copy this calendar appointment page. Now this will save all of the different bookings of my calendar appointment page. I'm just going to press copy, and after I save it, again, you can see, oops, guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to do a repeat of that. So I'm going to go to repeat. I'm going to do every weekday. I'm going to press done. I'm going to save it. And now it's back to the to the booking that I have set up. So one second, I'm just want to make sure that I don't shut down. Try tonight. Okay, so basically, then if you have a website such as a Google site, which I recommend if you're working in your region to use a Google site because then it's password protected and then no one else can make those bookings. I've created my test page over here on my sharing site. Then what you need to do after you have gone to edit the page is you want to be able to insert a widget. So a gadget. I'm going to go to my More Gadgets page. I go to More Gadgets, and then I want to go to an iframe because this includes a web page in my Google site. And the web page that I want to include is my appointment booking page. So I'm going to include that. I click select, and then I'm going to attach that URL that I copied from the previous page. So I'm going to paste that. You can see that I have pasted it. Now you can mess around with the sizes and things like that. I like to include a scroll bar, and I don't usually include a title, so I usually take that away. And let's just do a preview to see what that's going to look like. So there I can see, here is my calendar page with the bookings that we stated before. There they are, ready to go. I'm going to press OK. And then when you drop into a Google site, this is, it won't show up right away. You have to save it. And there I can see I've created my calendar page for creating my appointments for my cart. So let's say, for example, a teacher comes and they say, oh, I really want to book it on Thursday, October 2nd at 9:20. So what you can do, teach them to just book it like that. It automatically inserts their page. You press save, and then it's created in their both their work calendar as well as the bookings calendar. And then if we look here, you can see that that booking has been created. That slot is no longer available, and then people can continue booking. So that is an overview as a tech lead or a person that's creating a booking site. That's how they can do it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please email me at aislinn.kaufman@gaps.wiredsb.ca, and I'd be happy to give you any assistance. Have a great day.